Hi, this video is for the students who will be using Excel for their data analysis. To access the data set, please go into your Canvas, go to Modules. Under Dataset, go to SPSS and Excel datasets. There are three files in there. First one, .sav, .save is SPSS file. You want to download the .csv file. Go ahead and click that. It will automatically download. At some point, you'll need the codebook as a reference. Okay. Once you download the file, you'll open it in Excel, and this is what it looks like. What we're seeing is the data view, which tells us on the left rows, these are the respondents. We have 1,500 of them, and on the top columns, it shows the different variables. What's missing in comparison to SPSS is the data view. So you don't know exactly, what this means other than the label itself and what the value means without the codebook. Okay. So please go ahead and look through the codebook so you know what that means. Now for this video, we're going to learn how to create a frequency table or a pivot table for the variable sex. So it's good practice to just copy and paste um, the variable that you want to look at into a new sheet so that you just don't need to mess with the data that, in the original worksheet. When you come here, you can actually go to Insert, Pivot Table, and once the range is selected, that would be okay. You can choose Existing Worksheet Location. You could just put it right next to it. Okay. Press OK. Now a pivot table fields pop up on the right hand side. What you want to do is drag sex into rows, and you want to drag sex into values, and I'm going to drag it 3 times to show you frequency, percentage, and cumulative percentage. So here we can relabel this as sex. We know that from the codebook, 1 equals male and 2 equals female. Now blank stands for the missing responses, and since we don't have any missing responses, we could just go to here on the right hand side, click on the little arrow, and take out the blank. In this way, you will only see male and female. Now for the first value, sum of sex, we don't want the sum. So what you want to do is go to Value Field Settings, and we'll call this the frequency. And you want it as count, okay? I changed it to frequency, but here we go. Press OK. Here you can see that 686 of our participants are male, 814 female. That's a grand total of 1,500 people. In the second column, you want to go to Value Field Settings again, go to Count. But what we want here is to look at it as a percentage, okay? So choose percentage of grand total. And this, I'm just going to put the percentage sign and press OK. So here you can see, the female makes up 54.27% of the population in this survey. For the third one, we're going to again do the same thing, value field setting, go to count, but this time we want the cumulative percentage. So you want to do percentage total run in. If you just want a cumulative frequency, you will just do running total in. But we want the percentage. Press OK. Let's just change the title of this to cumulative percentage. Press OK. So as you can see, since there's only 2 variable category, the second one will equal to 100%. And this is how you create a frequency table in Excel.